Hi there, my name is Sam. Thanks for stopping by to learn more about Northpass for HubSpot. Northpass is a learning management system, or LMS as the cool kids say. We help forward-thinking companies like yours train their customers. We give you a flexible platform so you have the freedom to create, manage, and scale learning programs exactly the way you want. While Northpass is a powerful platform alone, when you connect it with your HubSpot CRM, you get real measurable impact. That's where Northpass for HubSpot comes in. Let me show you how it works. To install the Northpass for HubSpot integration, a customer will want to head to the Apps tab of Northpass. They'll click into the HubSpot listing, and they'll click the Get Started button. Soon they will be prompted with the Oauth page within HubSpot. They'll select the account that they want to configure for the Northpass for HubSpot integration. They'll also confirm they are not a robot. And voila, they are brought to the HubSpot settings page. Now, when you look here, you will see that customers are able to enable or disable the HubSpot integration, which will disable the flow of Northpass data flowing into HubSpot. They have the ability to create contacts if there are unmatched contacts, and we'll go into that in a little bit. And they also have the ability to customize which data they would like to show in HubSpot when it comes to Northpass learning data. Once the user has successfully authenticated into HubSpot, they will be able to further configure and set up the Northpass for HubSpot integration. They can stop the flow of data going from Northpass over to HubSpot. They can select if they would like new contacts created in HubSpot based on unmatched contact records. For instance, if there is a learner who progresses within a Northpass course, but they do not have an associated contact record in HubSpot, we can create a contact for that learner on behalf of the customer. We do this mapping based off of the email address that is associated with the HubSpot contact record. We also have a few pieces of data we can pass over from Northpass into HubSpot. As properties on the contact record, we can pass over course progress data and learning path progress data. Learning path progress data is essentially a sequence of courses stringed together. We also can pass over data as timeline events, including a learner completed a course, a learner activated their account, a learner completed a quiz, and a learner submitted an assignment. As shown here, we are relaying course progress information, learning path progress information, and other components of the course from Northpass into HubSpot. We are not pulling any data from HubSpot at this time. The APIs that we use to communicate with HubSpot include the Oauth Api to create tokens after the HubSpot administrator has granted the Northpass app permission to access their HubSpot data, the Contacts API to update contact data, as well as create new contacts for Northpass learners if this option is selected, the Properties API to define new properties and property groups on HubSpot contacts, and the Timeline Events API to create new timeline events based on actions taken by a contact if these are selected. Now, in HubSpot, we publish timeline events as shown here, and we also publish course progress and learning path progress to the contact record if that is selected within the Northpass configuration page. From there, our customers leverage these pieces of data to then create sequences, lists, reports, dashboards, and workflows. When it comes to uninstalling or disabling the Northpass for HubSpot integration, there are a few ways that a customer can take these actions. If a customer would like to disable the Northpass for HubSpot integration, they will toggle this button to off. And essentially, what this will do is this will stop the flow of learning data from Northpass into HubSpot. Once they toggle it off and they click the save button, the status will be reflected as disconnected. However, if the customer decides they would like to restart the flow of data in the future, they can easily toggle on the toggle back to on, click save, and that status button will reflect the new connected status. Customers also have the ability to uninstall the Northpass for HubSpot integration from this page. They will click the uninstall button, type in uninstall, and give their consent. When this occurs, Northpass will delete the OAuth token and any associated configurations with this integration setup. Now, customers can also uninstall the integration from the HubSpot end. Once that occurs and we receive the errors, the 401 errors notifying us that this may have occurred, we will stop the flow of data. We will delete the OAuth token and any associated configurations. And we will also then send an email to all of the administrators associated with the Northpass account that was used to set up the Northpass for HubSpot integration. We give a few probable causes here, and we also give our customers the ability to reset up the integration if they choose to do so.